It is Miss Alana working on math and studying for our quiz tomorrow. Today is December 15th. It is Thursday. Study for a quiz. We will have an assessment tomorrow on the standards we've been working on this week and last week. And do you want to know the big secret? Maybe you already know. Maybe you already heard the secret. The secret is that these exact questions on this assignment for today will be the exact same questions for the quiz tomorrow. So make sure that you are able, first of all, make sure you complete everything and make sure you are able to master all these standards. Be the master at math. That's right, master all these standards so that tomorrow, got that, you can handle this test with no problem. Now, I will not allow you to use your quiz, not your quiz, to use your paper, but as long as you know how to do them, you'll be fine. If you need any additional help, go find the other videos for the ones that you're struggling with. Oh, it's popping up on the screen. All right, let's begin by reading the standard. Read it with me. It says, numbering operations in base 10, perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to hundreds. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to hundreds using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. All right, we are going to solve the following word problem by adding, subtracting, multiplying, and or dividing. Draw a model, solve, and check your work. Don't forget to use the cubes clues and write the solution in a complete sentence. All right, let's read it. Miss Alana, oh, that's me. That's me. Oh, always shopping for food. Raise your hand if you love food. Yes. Raise your hand if you love healthy food. Yes, that's even better. Miss Alana, I am buying 6 pounds of radishes and 4 pounds of tomatoes. That's a lot. That's a lot of fruit and vegetables, but we're going to eat all that. Radishes cost 75 cents per pound, and tomatoes cost $1.64 per pound. How much did she spend in all? We can use our cubes clues to help us figure out the answer. And you know what? We can't see the whole page, so I need to make this a little bit smaller. Bam, right there. That's better. First thing we need to do is to circle the numbers. What numbers do you see? Circle it with me. We're just like doing all kinds of rhymes today. I see a 6. What else do you see? 4. Circle them. 75 cents. What else do you see? $1.64. Oh, I think that's it. We are done with that step, the C step. The next step is the U step, is to do what? Underline the keywords. Find some keywords for me. We can start with the unit. So look at that 6. 6 what? Pounds of radishes. What else do you see? That 4. What unit goes with that? Pounds of tomatoes. Let's look at the 75 cents. With the unit for that is a dollar sign. And what goes with that though? That's how much the radishes cost per pound. And what about the $1.64? That is the cost of the tomatoes per pound. So underline that. Tomatoes cost $1.64 per pound. And there's another keyword, key phrase that helps you solve the problem. Do you know what it is? Look. What is it? It's right there. Oh, it's right there. In all, that will help us figure out what operation we need to use. We are done with that step. The next step is the B step, to box the question. We need to box the question, circle the question. You can highlight the question. I want to highlight the question. Where is it? Right here. How much did she spend in all? How much did I spend? I didn't spend too much. This is like healthy for you. So worth all the money we spent on that, and it's not even a whole lot. Done with that. Next step is the E step, eliminate unnecessary information. Do you see anything here? Anything? Nope, I think we need all the information, so we need to check off that step. And the last step is to solve and check. We need to solve and check. To do that, we need to draw a model. Now, okay, That means a visual representation, a picture of what we are solving. All right, so we need 6 pounds of radishes. And I'm just going to do circles for that. And how much is that? 75 cents. So I need to write 75 cents. How many times? 6 times. 75 cents. 75 cents. 75 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Right there. Bam. Now, tomatoes. We need to draw our picture for the tomatoes. I have how many pounds? I'm getting 4 pounds, which is $1.64. So let's write that. $1.64. I'll put a rectangle on that. Okay. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pounds of radishes and 1, 2, 3, 4 pounds of tomatoes. All right, now to solve, what do we need to figure out? How much I'm spending in all. That means all of it together. Now, lots of different ways that you can solve this problem. Actually, I think we've been doing what? Like 3 different ways, right? So what is one way? One way is to add everything together. So you would write all this down in one long vertical column and add that together. Or you can do what? Add these together, and then add those totals together. Or what else can you do? You can multiply. You can do 75 cents times 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, $1.64 times 4, and then add those totals together. When you're done with that, you can do another way to check your work, or you can use a calculator. Now, I do not have enough space to show this in different ways, but I want you to be able to check your work. So what I am going to do is I am going to solve the problem real quickly right now on my own and give you the answer. Okay, I will give you the answer, and then you need to be able to solve it. To make this, let me see. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and solve it on here. I'm just going to solve it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 75 cents times 6, and then I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. $1.64 times 4. All right, let's work this one out. So this is a 3-step problem. Now, if you want to pick another way to do it, that's fine. 5 times 6 is 30. Write your 0 plus 3. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 3, 42, 43, 44, 45. That's a 5 plus 4. And then 6 times 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. Count your decimal over 1, 2 places. 1, 2, $4.50. Now to check, I am going to use a calculator. You can add it to show it a different way. What? Okay, fine. I'll add it. All right, I'm going to check this work right here. Let me see. 75 cents. 75 cents. 75 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget your addition symbol. All right, let's look. Skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Write the 0 plus 3 up top. And look at the 7s. I can do 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, or I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus that 3 is 42, 45. Bring that decimal down, plus 4. And all those zeros plus that 4 is $4.50. So bam, those answers match. Let's add the cost of the tomatoes. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 up top. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25, plus 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Count your decimal places. Bloop, 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 bloop. $6.56. Let's check our work by adding. So that's another way to do that. Now, if you want to do this for your solve and then check it a different way, however you want to do it is fine with me. $1.64. $1.64. $1.64. $1.64. Whoa, that's weird. $1.64. All right. No, I wrote it 5 times. Uh-oh. I need to erase one of those ways. One of those dollar signs. $1.64. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, because it gets times 4. Add that together. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Write the 6 plus 1. 6 and 6. I'll wait for the 1. 6 and 6, it's like skip counting by 6. 6 and 6 makes 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Right, the 5 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5 and 6. $6.56. Bam! We have that right. Are we done? Oh, no, because now we need to add them together. So I need to add $4.50 plus $6.56. 0 plus 6 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 6 is 11. Or 4 and 6 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Bam, dollar sign. Now, you know what to check? I think I want to use a calculator for this one. Let me go get a calculator. All right, so I'm going to do 4. Can you see that? $4.50 right there plus $6.56. $11.06. Bam, I have that there. Since I don't have room, I'll write it up here. I checked my work with a calculator. I know some of you all are still struggling spelling some of those words, so I wrote it down for you right there. Don't forget to write the solution. Write, Miss Alana bought 6 pounds of radishes and 4 pounds of tomatoes and spent $11.06. Or you could say, when Miss Alana bought 6 pounds of radishes that cost 75 cents per pound and 4 pounds of tomatoes that cost $1.64 per pound, she spent $11.06. So make sure you write that solution down. If you struggle with problem solving, make sure you watch this video again. I have so many other videos that we've done this week and last week if you struggle with that. So watch those. Keep practicing. Work hard. Work really hard because that helps you get smarter and smarter every day. And then guess what happens? Guess what happens when you're successful? We are going to have a math party. Yes, raise your hand if you want to come to the math party. Woo! Yes. All right. So I will see you. Watch the next videos. Love you.